Hello everyone, welcome to Geoscience Engineering. Very recently there is a fire accident in Nagaland. It's a wildfire. It burned mostly around 250 kilometers acres of area. So in this video I will discuss about how to download the satellite imagery before and after the wildfires. For this we'll be going for the Copernicus hub. So here you can get all kinds of sentinel data. So if you have credentials, you can just log in, or you can create an account. So now I'm going for the visualize first, because visualization will make you understand clearly what is happening. After that, if you want, you can also download that data. So right now I am going to the Nagaland. If you want, you can also search this place like so. This is Dzukou Valley, or you can search like this, but you will be getting only the approximate location. So here if you see, this particular area comes under Kohima, and this is the Dzukou Valley. So you can see this greenery here, and this particular place got affected with the fire accident. So right now the one which you see is a very old image, so it's all clear, but you can go to the date here, and then you can see the date on 25th. So here you can see clearly this particular area got burned. See, it's all blackish and different when compared to the surrounding areas. If you want to know the previous image, see, this is all green. That means this is before an accident, and then you can also check on 18th. See, so the incident happened in between December 8th and I think we will go for 13 also. Okay. So the incident happened between 8th and 13th. So this is the pre-image of the incident, 8th December 2025. See, you can clearly see this whole particular area is green. So if you want to download that particular image, you have an option here like this. So you can just click on it, and here you can see what kind of image you want. Is it a basic print or high resolution image? And also you can see it's in JPG format or PNG format. When you go to the analytical part, you can also download the georeference image like this, KML or PNG, KMZ, TIFF format also. But just for the visualization, I am going for the high resolution print, and I can get this image. So I am just clicking on the download. So this takes some time for the download. The same way you can also go for the post fire, and then you can download that high resolution image. Okay, I've downloaded the pre, and now this is the post. So this area, and you can download the same here, going for the high resolution print, and then click on download. Then you will get the next. So I've downloaded both the images, and if you want to do some measurements just for the approximate values, you can just zoom into this place, and then you have this ruler option just to click. So you can just approximately draw the line here like this. This is only for the approximation. Um, you can still see the smoke that is recorded on 13th. Okay, so this is how you will get the information. It is around 4.39, or if you want you can go for the later on next image. Here you can see the forest is still on fire on 13th, and you go for the next. See, on 18th the fire is put off. Before, in between 13 and 18 the fire is put off. So you can see the clear image of how the area got burned. So in this way, if you want you can go for the highly optimized natural color, which is not that clear, and the false color also it is not that clear, it's just showing you the black. And sometimes if you want to see, you can go for the NDWI. So here you can see clearly how much area got burned and how much greenery is left, and you have many other options like this. So these are some other indices in which you can identify the loss that happens to your area of investigation or area of interest. So in this way you can check any kind of landslide, the fire accidents that happens in your area of interest. For more information you can comment on this video, and you can also share and subscribe to Geoscience Engineering. Thank you.